Viking Yachts, providing excellence since 1964.
April 1, 1964, April Fool's Day. We took over out of bankruptcy Peterson Viking. We changed the name to Viking Yachts rather than Peterson.
My father and uncle started the company back in 1964. I came to work with my father starting in the late 60s on Saturdays.
The Viking Yacht Company, located on the scenic Bass River near Atlantic City, New Jersey, has been building luxury sport fishing yachts with one purpose in mind: to dominate the marketplace with seagoing excellence. Viking is family-owned and privately run.
Good morning, Viking. Penny speaking.
See, around here in a family business, titles aren't much. They're not viewed as, you all chip in and we all do it.
Viking has built more than 4,000 yachts and currently produces a fleet of 17 models, ranging in length from 45 to 74 feet. An 82-foot Viking is on its way.
Here we are 43 years, and we have acquired over those years just a tremendous group of people, and that's what makes a difference. That group of people, they are the key to the whole organization, if you will.
We're 1,600 plus employees, so there's challenges in that, but they're great. You need all that vertical integration to achieve what we have achieved, to be able to build the boat that we build.
Viking is a vertically integrated company. About 90% of what goes into the boat is produced at the Viking facility, which has nearly 700,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Viking boasts its own electronics company and tuna tower manufacturer, allowing for direct delivery of turnkey yachts to all new Viking yacht owners. Every new Viking yacht begins with a clean sheet of paper. The design and sales departments work closely with existing owners and tournament fishermen. Those relationships, along with input collected from our own Viking demonstrator programs, provide a unique foundation leading to the creation of each new model. Using multiple CAD/CAM programs, our designers are able to draw a collection of renderings showing both interior and exterior plans. These are then passed along to our engineering group to ensure that design and engineering parameters are met. Viking's highly automated facility includes a computer-operated 5-axis profiler, the largest in the marine industry. The profiler carves huge blocks of foam into the shapes that will eventually become the molds from which parts are made. The profiler cuts with surgical precision and handles the most intricate parts with ease and perfection.
This 5-axis profile has been a tremendous improvement in allowing us to develop new product.
With the profiler working on shaping complex parts like decks and enclosed bridges, skilled shipwrights in research and development assemble parts of the hull to create a wooden plug, which will later be used to build a fiberglass mold. While the shipwrights are focused on developing new parts, other departments are busy creating the interior of the yachts. In the metal shop, Viking structural steel engine beds are fabricated to ensure drivetrain alignment. These industry-famous parts deliver smooth, seamless power from the high-horsepower engines. Spiral staircases for enclosed bridge convertibles and bow rails are produced, using either a high-polished, anodized surface or a power-coated finish for aesthetics and durability. In our fiberglass shops, fuel tanks are crafted with a resin infusion process to mirror the shape of the hull bottom, maximizing capacity and draw. Deck assemblies, floors, hardtops, and flying bridges are built by skilled craftsmen and made ready to join the assembly line. Hulls are laid up in the main production building and join the line after leaving the mold. In the wood mill, computer-operated routers carve wood for structural components, as well as interior cabinetry and joinery. Besides the automation, there is no shortage of hand finishing, which helps us achieve our gleaming high-gloss interior. Because each Viking is built to order, the electrical department creates a unique electrical harness for every yacht. A Viking 64, for example, has over 2,400 pounds of wiring to operate the 300 or more systems typically found on board. Viking builds over 100 yachts a year on its 4 production lines. After a hull is pulled from its mold, it is placed in a cradle at the start of the production line. The cradle supports the boat until it is launched. Next, all of the stringers and bulkheads are encapsulated in fiberglass and the bottom is prepped, primed, and painted. Egg crating is the next step, with each partition encapsulated in fiberglass as well and bonded to the hull. This adds strength and support to the hull structure. Mechanical and electrical work is next. Wiring is installed for all standard and optional equipment. The generator and engines, struts, and running gear follow, and the main fuel tank is installed. The galley, heads, and stateroom modules from the mill are delivered to the line and installed, followed by the deckhouse. Then the flying bridge and hardtop are put in place. From this point, things move quickly. Lights, outlets, and entertainment systems are powered up. The salon door and bow rail are installed. The final stage on the line is cosmetic. Cabin and locker doors are installed. The flying bridge enclosure is installed and the carpet is laid. Interior goods and window treatments are delivered. Finally, the yacht is moved outdoors to the water for its initial startup. At the make-ready dock, a team of technicians and quality control personnel test the various systems throughout the yacht and inspect the fit and finish. Each Viking is then turned over to the engineering department. There, the engineers conduct exhaustive testing and performance sea trials. They record all of the data and results into the yacht's personal file.
Viking Yachts' superiority is in the design of the boat, the styling of the boat, the ride of the boat, the interior fit and finish of the boat, the engine room, the handling characteristics. We feel that what we do is we put the total package together. We build the complete boat.
When the yacht is delivered to its owner, it not only exceeds his expectations, but also delivers Viking's mantra to build a better boat every day.
This group of people put this great product together, and they're getting to know it. We have customers that have had, we've had one that's 10 or 11 boats, we've had 6 boats, and they tend to be very proud of the fact that they spent $3, $4, $5 million and they got a good product. And then our customers are always, I don't say bragging, but they're delighted with the fact that it is quite a product for all the money they've spent.
People work very hard in their own professions, and the escape of getting on a boat and going out and catching some fish and just relaxing and going to different islands and doing is a great thing. It's an excellent sport to become involved in and relaxation. And I do believe that we're positioned as the #1 boat builder in the world, and the group is in place to perpetuate that in the future. And our commitment is that we like the view from the top of the mountain and we're not going to give it up.